Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method on Facebook business page. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Facebook app to reach your page's billing area and add a payment method for ads and promotions. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin access to the page and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Start by opening the Facebook app. From your home screen, look for the three horizontal lines at the top left of the app interface and tap them. This opens the main menu where you can quickly access your pages and tools connected to your business. In the menu, find your business page and select it. Choose the page where you want to manage payments. This takes you to the Pages dashboard inside the Facebook app so you can access the tools related to your page. Once you're on the page, open the menu again by tapping the three lines. We're doing this to reach the more advanced tools that Facebook groups under MetaSuite, which is designed for managing content, insights, inbox, and billing in one place. Scroll down through the menu and tap MetaSuite. Depending on your app version, this may appear as Meta Business Suite, but the function is the same. You're now entering the central hub for managing your page's business settings and advertising tools. Inside MetaSuite, look toward the bottom right for another three-line menu icon and tap it. This menu provides quick access to account-level settings, including billing and payment options. Next, tap Billings and Payment. This section houses your payment settings for ads and boosted posts associated with your page. It's the right place to review charges, update methods, and manage your billing profile. Finally, tap Add Payment Method. This opens the screen where you can add a new way to pay for advertising. Depending on your region and currency, you may see options such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, or locally supported methods. Keep in mind that the method you add will be used for charges related to your page's ads and promotions. If something doesn't appear as expected, confirm you have the correct page selected and the necessary permissions. It also helps to ensure your business information, like country and currency, is set correctly in your account settings before proceeding. That's it. You open Facebook, navigated to your page, entered MetaSuite, and reached the billings and payment area to add a payment method. With this setup, your page is ready to run ads and boost content confidently and securely.